is Nisha, and today's video we are going to do the What's in My Mom's Bag Challenge! So as you can see, I'm wearing the same clothes as the thank you for the 500 subscriber vlog. And yeah, we just finished doing it actually. So that's why I'm still wearing the same thing. And then again, thank you for subscribing! And if you're new here, please subscribe. So let's get on to the video. Here's my mom's bag. This is her bag. So we are going to check what's inside her bag. So I'm just gonna do this randomly. I'm just gonna shake it up. I'm not gonna look. I'm just gonna shake it up, and whatever I grab, I'm gonna say it. Now I'm not gonna look. Now close my eyes. Grab one randomly. There are lots of stuff in here. What's this? I'm getting this one. It feels weird. Oh, okay. These are my mom's car keys. You know, she just uses this when she wants to go somewhere. These are her car keys. Yeah. Just in case she wants to go somewhere, she just drive. And this bag also comes with this handle or belt thing, whatever. As long as it's a long strap so you can do it. So the next one. This one? Oh, okay. This is her L'Oreal Paris lipstick. I'm not sorry. Sorry, I have a cough. So I'm not really sure if you pronounce it as this, L'Oreal Paris. Anyway, it's a lipstick. That's over it. It's this one. This is very weird. This is just a sponge. And you dip it inside in here because there's a lipstick inside. I'm not sure if you can see it. So there's this layer of lipstick in there. So when you dip the sponge in there and just apply it, I'm not gonna apply it now. It's very soft actually, this sponge thing. So then again, the brand is L'Oreal Paris. I'm not really sure if you say it this way. Not sure if the camera is focusing, but the spelling is like that. It looks like that. So on to the next one. Oh! Oh, I feel something. What is this? Smells good. I'm just gonna find the other one. Oh! It's this one. This is the cover. It looks like this. This is just a perfume bottle from Calvin Klein. It's sheer beauty, Calvin Klein. So it looks like this. It's a very fancy bottle. That smells very good. It smells so good. This next one is just this Chanel press powder. It's this Chanel press powder. This is just for touch-up. It's in there, of course. So it's just from Chanel. It's press powder. Next one. This one. Okay. So it's this eyeshadow from Everbilena, and I'm guessing this is different shades of pink because it says pink in here, black pink. Okay. So yeah, it's very glittery actually. Look how glittery that is. Okay. So this time I actually want to go in the other pocket. I see. Alright. There is a roll of tissue case of emergency. You know, if you need tissue, you can use this to wipe something that's wet or something. So that's really cool. Wet wipes. Okay. Maybe it's like for when you need to go in the bathroom. It's real bad. Okay, so you can use this to wipe your face, wipe your hands if you don't have time to go in the bathroom or there is no bathroom. Yeah, just to wipe your face, wipe your hands, wipe something, maybe wipe your table if it's dusty. And like, maybe it's also when you need to go in the bathroom. So, see? Okay. So this is just my mom's cell phone right here. So yeah. And I know that this is the last one because I don't feel anything else. So last but definitely not least, it's Katinko. Like my mom always uses this because like if you have mosquito bites, insects, and it's for your head when you like have a headache. Like when you put it in your head, it's very cool and minty. I have tried this before and it's very satisfying when you have a headache. And it actually also works for mosquito bites. And if you don't know what Katinko means, it's like this, what do you call this? Something like, I don't know, as long as it's like very cool and minty. And it works for mosquito bites and insect bites, any kind of bite, not dog bite. I mean insect bites already. And yeah. So that's all in my mom's bag. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Please subscribe, comment down below, click the notification bell on, and we'll see you soon.